Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Mercedes Benz C Class. At the moment it's on sat-nav. We've got here, this is kind of the smart control. You can knock this up and knock it down. We'll just go back at the top there. That's the normal. Let me just see, if I just go back here, go to star, then you get this screen. That's by pressing star there. You can also move about using this kind of mouse, which is hard work, especially if you're driving. So onto telephone, and we'll click select telephone. To return to navigation, please confirm Navi. I don't want to, I want telephone. So we'll click on there, telephone. Now then, it's defaulted to connect device. That's what I want to do. So connect device. Search for phones, search via telephone. I want to search for phones. Now I go into settings and I want Bluetooth, and then I'm going to be watching out at the bottom. There's start search. I click on start search, searching for Bluetooth phones. When I first got in here, I thought, well, I haven't got a BT account. Mine's with EE. It's not going to find it. There you go, Barry's iPhone here. So I'm going to turn that down until I get to Barry's iPhone, then click on it. Bluetooth pairing request 059509. Does passkey match? Yes, it does. Pair. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow. That's it. That's just showing the sat-nav's come up on my phone. That's always a good sign that it's paired. But let's just have a look for Mercedes Benz Bluetooth connected. That's it done. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Mercedes Benz. So here we go. If I click the star, it's gone back to menu. Got telephone there, so I'll just go along. On, off, blah, 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 skip, tag. We want phone. Telephone. Click on telephone. Now then, my phone is connected here, but I want to delete one. So if I pull back towards me, it then brings up this menu at the bottom, connect device or options. I go onto options. You've got Barry's iPhone, call up contacts automatically, import contacts. That's not what I want. We go back. So we go connect devices. I don't want to connect a device. That's what you have to do, connect device. Click on connect device. And then you'll see there's two phones. One's mine, which is connected. This is the one, Michael's phone. That's the one I want to delete. Once it's highlighted, you'll see I can go back, or there's another menu if I knock over this way. So knock over, deauthorize, click on deauthorize. Do you want to deauthorize Michael's iPhone 12? Slide over to yes. Yes, that's it, gone. That's how you delete a mobile. Okay, I'm just going to show you how to stream music, play music from your mobile through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Mercedes Benz C Class. So the first thing we do, we go to tunes. There's a tune on that I quite like anyway. Now, you see at the bottom there, the circles and the like pyramid. If I click on there, all it's showing is iPhone at the moment. So my phone is paired to the system, but it's not showing. So what we need to do, we'll click the star. That takes us back. There you go, you've got media, click on media. No Bluetooth audio device connected. Right, okay. You see media there, there's an arrow as well. So if I go to options, click on options, Bluetooth audio devices, click on Bluetooth audio devices. Now, highlight Barry's iPhone 15, click on it. With a bit of luck, there it's come up. Now, anything that's playing on this, any audio, whether it be YouTube video soundtrack, Apple iTunes, Amazon Prime Music, Spotify, whatever, it will play on here. So we'll go back there click on that, turn it up. That's it. That's how you play music. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2015 Mercedes Benz C Class. So what we'd need again, we'll go to Star, click Star. I could have done it on that, but we turn here, get to navigation, click on navigation, activating navigation. The first time you use it in the day, it'll ask you to click on it to make sure that you're not going to be distracted. We want to go to where to, so you can either do it with the touchpad on the top or just turn back like so. So where to, click on where to, points of interest, address, go home, we want address. Enter town, enter postcode. And now we're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Preston, R. Now we want numbers. It's defaulted to numbers. 5, 4. Gone back to letters E, A. PR5 4EA, that's it. Select. You've got to select, even though you've just typed it in, you've got to select. Looking for the address. In the top left hand go, click. That's it. That's how you set the sat nav.